like the overall trend is still uptrend. Like price is still pushing up, even though it retested all the way down to 1805. It will do that. It has to retest before heading up. Heading back up. So we will go down to our 4-hour chart. Obviously, you can see more structure on a 4-hour chart. Price is going up right now. Gold is going up right now. You can see gold is going up. Black candlesticks means gold is going down. And we would just look at structure, like literally. We would just look at structure. We would scroll down to like 2-hour. And you can see structure. Like this is the move price was just at. It was just at 1817 and went all the way up to 1822. So like 1822, it been here. This was on January the 17th. This was on January the 17th, of 2022. It was just there, and it been there still January 17th. It's still January 17th. You can see more structure on here. What is price making right now? Like this is all like Monday. This is all Monday right here. This Monday move right here, January 17th. What is price doing? It's making what? Higher highs and higher lows, and higher highs and higher lows. Prices, it wicked it right here. We see this wick right here, this major wick right here, on a 2-hour. It wicked it all the way from 1820 all the way down to 1805 before pushing up from 1805. Buyers push price all the way back up to 1815, letting us know that it doesn't want to go to it doesn't a wick like this. When you see wicks like this, wicks let us know that price doesn't want to go down to this area yet, even though it got to this area. Even though price has gotten to this area right here, even though price did get to this area, you know, um, it wicked at this area. When you see a wick like this, it lets us know that price doesn't want to go to this area yet. So we're still we're still looking for buys. Um, because we didn't get a close below this area. Now, if we had seen this candlestick go all the way down here and close below this area, or even close below this 812 area, it didn't close below this 812 area. Only candlestick you see close below this 812 area was you know was right here. This candlestick, and I was in but it did close below this area, letting us know that price was going to go down. What did it do? It closed below this area and it went down. It closed at 1810, giving us a sign that price wants to continue down. It did. It continued down all the way to 1805, and then if we'd have seen another candle like this candle close below 1805 area, below this box, then we would have been looking, for more sales. And the next key level would have been 1800. Which would have been right here. Right here is 1800 level. As you can see, we just have to look at structure. We gotta look at structure and see what price is doing. The price is making higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. We're in an uptrend, but now price is making lower lows and lower highs from 18, like 1822, 1825. It hasn't been. This was on January 14th. It hasn't been back up here since January 14th. Price hasn't been making what? Lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, and lower highs and lower lows. Price is still retesting, we finally do see like buyers pushing price back up, letting us know that okay, that this retest is done. Like this retest is over. Like now price is heading back up. Like, we're gonna see yellow candlesticks heading back up, gold heading back up. Like uh we haven't we didn't we haven't seen we didn't see, but price was making structure. It was making uh higher highs and higher lows. Like right here you can see price was making higher highs. This would be the highest point price been to since this that was on the 14th. That was on the 14th. It made this bearish engulfing pattern when this black candlestick is engulfing the yellow candlestick. Um, you know, um, letting us know that uh sellers are in control. That was on the 14th. It hasn't been back up here since the 14th. It hasn't been back up to this 1824 level since January 14, 2022. Letting us know that we're still, price is still retesting. It's going to retest before, actually heading back up. You have to think what the candlesticks are going to do. It's going to take a while before price to actually get back up to 1830. So it made a lower low. It made a lower low right here. Boom. It made a lower high right here, and at 1825, you would have get in. You want to get in that high, and you want to sell it down. If you would have been sold, you would have stayed in that trade. You would have still been in profit this whole time. And probably would have got out at 1805. This was January 14th. So you would have been stayed in this trade. Like, I don't know, some people don't have patience to stay in a trade this long. This is more like swing trading, but you could have had swung trade this all the way down until, at least today price went, it went from was today, January 18th, 2022, price went all the way down to 1805. And we're still in, you're still in profit. Price never had got back up to the 1824 level. So we're still in profit from Friday if you had stayed in this trade. So you can see price hasn't got above this high. Once price, shoots above this high, of course, the next high would be 1830. But it hasn't got above this 1824 level, 1825 level, 1825. Once it gets above 1825, we're going to 1830. That's our next key level. So it hasn't been back down there yet. Price is actually still going down, retesting down. But like I said, overall, we're still in an uptrend. Like price does this all the time, man. Like price does all the time. What did it do? It went to this 15 level, this 18, 12 level before what? Heading back up, So it went to this like 18, 12. This is on a 13. For what? Heading back up to 18, 28 before heading back down. So it's going to keep doing that. Like right now it is making lower lows and lower highs, letting us know we're in a downtrend. You can see right here we're in a downtrend. And we just look at the candlesticks, gang. You would just look at the candlesticks and to see, we're in a counter trend. This is like a counter trend. The overall move is an uptrend, but we're still in this downtrend right here. And you will just see what the candles are doing, what they're showing you. You could have gotten in any direction. You could have gotten for your buys, when price was at 1813, and this was January the 16th, and rolled it all the way up to 1822. So like price overall though, it's still in an uptrend, but for the last 2 days, price has been making structure. It has been making lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows, and lower highs, and lower lows. Letting us know we're in a downtrend. Candles when candles are below this trend line, we're in a downtrend. So we're in a mini downtrend right now. It's just a retest. Price is going to break this trend line. At 1818, it should break this trend line. So once we see price break this trend line at 1818, we're going up. By the end of this week, we should be at 1813. So just understanding the candles, understanding what price likes to do, what the candlesticks like to do, structure, um, you know, uh, will help you understand, which direction to get in that, for buys or sell. So, like I said, you could have got in for sales or buys, though, gang. Like you can see right here, this is on the 15th. You could have got in for sales. Once price went all the way down to 1805, it pushed back all the way back up. It pushed all the way back up from 1805 all the way back up to 1818, all the way back up to 1819, 1820. Before that, heading back down now, heading back down, another little trend line right here. Boom, boom, So there's so many things you can do with this market, gang.